Hello guys, welcome again. Today in this video we are going to learn how we can upload CSV file on HTTP server. As well, we will also learn how we can store the information of CSV file on MySQL, and we will display the data and content of CSV file on HTML page also. So all three tasks we are going to perform. And in this video, I'm going to use how we can read CSV, how we can write data into CSV file, and how I can upload the data into MySQL also. So all three videos previously I have made. So if you have not seen those videos, kindly watch those videos also to understand this video properly. So now we are going to start. So here I'm taking a package main and function main like this, and here because I want to use HTML page also, so I'm creating a one directory, that template, and I will take HTML file here, store HTML file, and I take one more directory that is called assets. So I will store my file that I will upload in CSV file that I will upload from the HTML page. I will upload this file in this assets directory. So I start here. First of all, I just created template. So I take variable, then I create a function in it to initialize this template. And just I store this template dot parse globally. I just pass this directory name, that template star.html. all HTML file would be there in this file. Then I just start http dot handle function, and here I pass the root and then handle the function home handle. Like this. Now start the server. Or port number 999, or maybe you can take any port which is free in your system, and nil. So I did like this. Now what I do, I just create a HTML file and I create this handle function also. First of all, func home handle, and this function will have w http dot response writer, and it will take second parameter r as a http dot request, like this. And then I do temp dot execute template, and here I pass w and pass the HTML file, that would be the index.html, my main file, and third parameter is nil. So here I will do the things. Now I create the HTML file here in this directory, and I give the name index.html, and this file having a data to upload the file. So what I do, I just say upload file, and here I take h1 as a upload file. Okay, and I create a form here, and this form will have the method that would be the post, and then action should be the root, same, and we have a inc type that would be the multi-part form data, because I want to upload file. Now I take label and I give here file name like this, and I say select your CSV file like this. And what I do BR here, then I say input type equal to file, and I give the name is file name, and here I just do BR, then input type equal to submit, here name equal to submit, and value equal to upload file. Okay. So like that, one more BR here for one more line break, and I save it. I think HTML file is ready. Now I have to take this HTML file here, this file is here. Okay, now I try to run this program to check first output, go run, and I say main.go, allow it, and now I open the browser, and here I say localhost 999, and you see this kind of interface we have. You can make it beautiful also by using CSS and Bootstrap, but here just example purpose, for just teaching you, I am taking such kind of interface. I will select a file from here, so any file we can select, and I will select a CSV file from the desktop. I will store the file on desktop, and then I will click on this upload button, and my data will display here down, and similarly my file will be saved on asset directory, and my data will store in MySQL. All three tasks we will do. So I have a file also. So what I do, I just take first of all CSV file from my coding, and I will put on desktop, that is course.csv, because as per the data available in a file I will do the coding. So in this file what we have only few record like this, and I can add more record also. Like this, you can save it. Now what I do, I just read this file. For that I check here that if r.method equal to http method dot request post method post, if it is post method, then we will do this coding. So what I will do, I will take a file, then handle, then error, and here is r dot form file, and here I will give the file name. File name is the name of this file tag which I am using here. So if error not equal to null, so I am checking here error, and I can give the output to my temp. I can say file not found, so I say fmt dot f printf w, and here I can print the error. So this error we can print on the screen just for checking purpose. So if there is no error, Then this file we want to read, so I say what I do, read CSV, so I say fp equal to csv dot new reader, and here I pass the file like this. Okay, now I'm not using this handle right now, but I will use it also. So file is there, then we need data, and we use error also. So fp dot read all like this, so all data will come here, and I check error also. If error not equal to null, so we print again this error. Okay, otherwise I have to read all the information. So right now just I make this handle as a underscore because I'm not using right now. So here data is available, I want to display this data, so I say that 4, and I say line range we require, so line, then I say range, and here I say data. So one by one I will read this line, and I will display data in a table. So I create a table here, and I say file data equal to table, then table we start here, then here under the table what we have file data equal to file data plus, and here I just pass tr, then plus, here I pass line the value 0 from this, but this tr need td. So first of all I need tr, then file data, then td, then I need line number 0, then I have to close this td like this. So I repeat this 3 times, paste and paste. So I say 1 and I say 2. Similarly we can do for all the records which is available, but here we have the only 3 fields. Then I say file data equal to file data plus, and I just close the tr. After tr at the end I will close this table also, so I copy and I paste, and here I write table close, I save it. Okay, now at the last I print the same information here, file data on a screen like this. So I think I complete the files information that will show on the HTML page. So I just remove and try to run again. go to browser. It is running right now. So I just choose the file from the desktop, and that would be the course.csv like this, and I say upload, and you see the data is coming, but we have some problem in HTML, so I did some mistake, so I just check it. So yes, I forgot to put this symbol less than closing a tag, so just I close this one like this and save it again. Okay, now once again if I try to execute this like this, and I try to run it again, then again I just try to upload this file, and you see the information is available here, but we have in Vipin and we do not having the course. Two time we have a same value, so why this is coming 0 1. Okay, 0 1 and 2 we have to pass, so this is solved. Now I have to upload a file on the assets directory. In this directory I want to upload. So for that what I do, just I open a file. So reading is done here, so here I open a file, so I say fp create fp new file new, okay, and error equal to os.open file, or yes, open file, and here I say that file would be the assets directory, and here I will have a file name. So file name will come from the handle, so I say handle like this, and here now I say handle dot file name, okay, and I give here the permission os dot o create permission, or if file is available already then read or write permission, okay. Then we have os dot mode perm like this, so I save it. So we have a file here, new file new, okay. Now here in new file what I do, I check here file f, then error equal to file new dot stats. I check here that file if not nil, that means error is there, so again I just print the error here, okay. And else what I do, I check here that if the f dot size, file size is equal to 0, then what I have to write, I have to write in a file that would be file new dot write, I have to write in a string like this, that would be sid, then second one is I say name, the field in a file, and third one I will write the course. So this information I'm writing when the file size is 0, means the file is empty, only then. Okay, so I want to upload a file, I want to create a file. So this file will save here. Now is the time to save the information in this file. So similarly here I am using this code. In this here I just write the data into the file also. So I just copy this and I paste here, and in place of this I write line 0, then line 1, and I write line 2. Save it. Data will run here. Now what I have to do, I have to do that file new dot flush. And I have to close the file also. After checking this, I say defer file new dot close, like this. Okay, so we are just uploading a file, creating a file, reading file, saving data in a file, and I try to run it again. Once again I run it. So problem is there, flush. Okay, so there is a problem. Okay, actually it's not the CSV writer. I did one mistake here, that I have to write a CSV. So here I will open the CSV writer. So I say file CSV file new file f file CSV new, then equal to CSV dot new writer, and here I pass file new. Here I want to write the information in this file. So CSV file CSV new. Okay, then here I have to use file CSV new. Now try to run again. One more problem is cannot write to okay, write CSV new, save it, or I just start again. Now it is starting. Okay, now I just try to run this again. So I just upload a file and click on this, and I try to check that file is available in my this folder or not. You see the file is available and data is also written in file. So once again I delete this file and I give confirmation also that file is uploaded. Return and file is open. So here we can give information like this, w dat file uploaded. Okay, done. Now once again I just remove it and try to execute once again. Okay, so you see the file is not available here, this file is not available here. So once again just I run it again and choose the file, and I just upload, and you see the file uploaded, information is coming, and we have the file also, same data we have. So now file is here, we have uploaded the file, but we want to store this information in MySQL also. For that I have created one video on this, how you can upload data in MySQL. So here I am trying to do the same thing. So first of all I have to load the here MySQL driver. So I say first of all I use it, then I upload. So here I just create a function. I say func get MySQL, okay, and it will return the SQL.db, and here I say db and error equal to SQL.open, and here I pass MySQL, and here I pass the username root, and password is not available, so I am passing the 127.0.1 as a root name and 3306 as a port number, then student info as the database, and pass time for the parameter like this. So database is done, and I check the error. If so I do this, if error not equal to nil, then I can print that MySQL is not running, and that I can print log fatal error dot error like this. Now I just return db like this. So we have a connection. Now here I want to store one more thing about database, so that would be the github.com, then /go SQL driver, then MySQL, like this. So I just try to do go mod td to no module is slice, so go mod init, and here I slice upload CSV, too many argument. Okay, go mod td. So MySQL is found and MySQL is installed. Okay. Now MySQL driver is there, connection is there. Now I want to insert the information in MySQL also. For that, in the same for loop I will install the MySQL also. So first of all I take the db, so that would be SQL db. So I take here where db SQL dot db like this. Now I take here db equal to get MySQL like this. We have this connection. Now db dot execute, and here I say insert into student table name, and I say sid name and course values, and under the values I take question mark like this, and here I will pass the value that are going to be stored. For that, first of all I say sid and I will convert this as id strconv dot a2i to integer the line number value 0. That would be this, that I will convert into the string integer. Then I say line number 1 as a name and line number 2 as a course. So like this I use it, you see, and here I will have the error also, and we have a response also, result. So what I do here, we have a result also. So declare but not use, I am using it, and I say if error not equal to null. So here I print fmt dot print w, and I here say error dot error. Okay. And I'm using result also. If result will also have some information. So result dot last row factor, last inserted id, or we just do this here, no need to handle this, and I just say else here, and I say check equal to true, and this check I will create here where check I say check equal to false, like this, but it would be, see, check is there, we have check is also here, but it's saying I'm not using this. Why? Okay, so I say here that if check equal to true, then I say data save in MySQL, data also stored in MySQL, or any information which you want to show. Else I say check MySQL connection, check MySQL connection. Okay, so if I run this file, okay, we can check this like this is also. So if I run it again, and I am not starting right now the MySQL, you see it will say check MySQL connection. So if I run it and I run it again, and I choose a file like this, upload, so it will say some error, file is coming, so but is not showing the data. Why? Because connection is not established, so I have to, this W is not showing the error. information should be come. So I did one mistake that I have to show the error in the log file. Like this way. So error will come on the log. Once again I try, and this file just I remove, and once again you see the error is coming here, so I just refresh. Okay, I just run it once again. So it is running or not, refusing a no connection. You see the no connection found, so it is generating an error also here in log, and it closing because the connection is not established with the MySQL. So first of all, what I have to do, I have to start my MySQL. So I am using the exam server, so I am starting MySQL here like this. Now I have to delete the data also that is already available. If so, I say MySQL u root and use student info and select stuff from student. You see the course is available, so I say delete from students. Okay, like this, and now record is not available. You see free. If I will run, then record will insert in this file also. So once again I try to execute this. Now connection is established automatically, and I try to execute this, upload a file, and you see the data is coming, data also stored in MySQL, file uploaded. So each and everything is coming here, and if I show you data here, it will also inserted. You see the all data is also coming in MySQL. So you have seen that we have successfully uploaded a file. The file is also there. We have uploaded, this file is available. Okay, and we have the data also in MySQL. So we did this successfully. The program was long because it's a long one. 3 and 4 concepts are involved in this program: reading a file, writing a file, uploading a file, storing a data in MySQL. And if you have any confusion about any individual concept, so kindly watch my previous video also. I have made video on these concept, and I combine these all videos concept in this video. My one YouTube you can say the viewer who watched my channel and he requested for this video, so I made this video for that person also. So I think I did successfully the things which we was required. And if you really like this video, kindly share this video, like this video, subscribe my channel, and help to promote my channel. Thank you for watching this video.